Clause 6.2 of ISO 14001 requires top management to establish environmental objectives at relevant functions and levels. The ISOvA Objectives list is pre-populated to include at least 80% of the content you need. Filter SMART objectives by aims to report on how the IMS is contributing to your organisational strategy. Then review each objective and tailor to your requirements. Let's look at the objectives for environmental and edit the plan to reduce energy consumption. I'll add install smart meters to measure the energy use. Once you've reviewed all the objectives in the list, you can mark the task complete. ISOvA reduces the effort and cost of ISO compliance.